Hey everyone, and welcome back to Coins Alert, your place to get your crypto fix. I hope you have a great weekend. It's finally here. We should be able to make some great plans. Next week is Easter, so hopefully you're just taking it easy today before you go hang out with your family again. But we have a great movie ready for you this morning. We have important news because the Federal Reserve did indeed open a backdoor. There's proof that that could cause XRP to go through the roof 10 times over. At the same time, Ethereum is about to crash badly, and 2 billion USDT was just moved between chains. There's going to be something big. The XRP chart shows that the local bottom is in. The whales are stocking up because they think a rebound is coming in 30 to 60 days. Don't ignore this. XRP has one of the most positive charts in all of crypto. It's free and really helps me out. So if you're watching this video and not already a subscriber, make sure you hit that follow button and that like button. You can join the channel for just $4.99 a month to get rid of all the ads and see even more bonus material. Stay ahead of the game, help the goal, and skip the ads. Don't wait any longer, sit back and take it easy. Let's jump in. Bitcoin is currently up 7.7% and is looking good on a Saturday morning, worth $85,229 USD. The value of Ethereum is $1,596,600. It's 0.68% right now. When USDT comes in as the dollar peg, USDC has dropped below 99 cents and XRP is still in fourth place. It looks like it's found a nice place to live at number 4. It's not fair that it costs $2.88. The price has gone up 3.6% in the last 24 hours, at $2,679 billion. The Bitcoin market cap is still below the all-time high set in 2020. I'm on the boat now. There is no doubt in my mind that the crypto markets will completely break out in the next 30 to 60 days, in May or June. The price of XRP will drop to between $250 and $3. Will break up into the $4 to $5 range. We called the bottom of $76,500 on the weekly this morning for Bitcoin. Its journey to $100,000 is now underway. At 10 a.m., the first ever King in the Jungle competition starts. Trading card games are one of the best ways to make money, and all the spots have been filled. They are built on the XRP Ledger and Arbitrum. You could play on your phone or in your computer browser. Today is the first day of the games. Good luck to everyone. John Brand put this out. I don't think you look so hot, guys. Let's begin. The charts don't lie, so let's talk about it. I'm gonna blow this up for you. The cost of gas has gone down a lot. Trading is slowing down. Without FI-TVL, the total value is locked across the board. It's going down. This is the first bad sign. Also, big Ethereum wallets are beginning to slowly and quietly delete their contents. And when ETH starts to lose value against Bitcoin, it's usually a sign that an altcoin correction is coming. If Bitcoin stays strong while Ethereum falls, it means that the institutions are beginning to change. They want to make better bets or plays with more potential for profit. Ethereum doesn't look like one of those right now. Peter Brank set possible ETH goals of $500 to $700 right now. If it keeps falling, you have been told, UR's USD, I'll send this out. $240 million. Talk about $2 billion. And USDT was just linked to more than one chain. It's not a store. This is whales and institutions quickly moving steady coins. Why? Perhaps to buy the drop. These changes could be a move away from Ethereum-based DeFi, or a way for them to get ready for over-the-counter deals. It's good that some of the value is already moving into XRP. Just now we talked about what we see in the whale wallets. But remember that when billions of safe coins move, it's never the same way twice. Every time, this is a setup. What will that setup be this time? That's the question. Is it going to BTC? Is it going somewhere else? Pay attention to that. After that, we'll talk about this trustworthy cryptocurrency that came out and break it down. To help you understand, let me write down what he says. He says that XRP is looking pretty good right now on shorter time frames, as long as Bitcoin doesn't ruin the fun. Also, we all know that Bitcoin likes to rock the party. What does this mean? Well, I'm pretty sure I can tell you that the XRP picture looks good and healthy. It's showing signs that it might keep going up or even break out. It looks like he thinks the price action is creating a bullish structure, like higher lows staying in place in a range, or even just trying levels of resistance on a short-term trading chart, 515 or even an hour on a 4-hour chart. When we talk about this, we mean this. This isn't about the long-term picture. These are the short-term plans. The shorter the term, the shorter the time frames. We can show you the chart, and let Bitcoin decide. As long as XRP stays where it is now, it's not going to break down again to the bottom. What do you know? Things are going well. Things are going well. The big players are called limit buyers. They're taking in any sell pressure that might come in. You might think of scooping it up as a dump or a crash, but it's actually a very strong sign of gathering. It often means that XRP has hit bottom and is ready for the next move up. Let's do this now. He talks about XRP and the short video he shared on his live show on Thursday. What does he have to say? Pay attention to where he thinks the price of XRP is going. I'll give you a sneak peek now, what he means by soon. Now all we need is for Twitter to play the video. Wait a minute. It's now coming in log mode. Pay attention. You can see that the trend line has some breaks in it. I will turn this into a line, and you will see that it is still stuck under and keeping that yellow support box. For now everything is fine. I know it looks bad, and like it's going to fall over, but I can't really do anything about it as long as it stays in place. The 200-day moving average is still there. It may hit it again to stay strong in case it wants it again. I hope this thing lasts. The fact that these moving averages are beginning to move sideways is something I like. When they all get together, this will get tied and tangled up in these moving averages, kind of like a Will Smith show. And once that happens, we have a chance for some magic, pops, and instability. Still hasn't done it. It looks like we're getting close, right? It must be getting close. Let me check to see if I have anything to say. How are you, Chiz? How are you, Brian Blue Crypto? Elf Fight, getting a buzz. While we talk about XRP, what's up? Yes, it's almost there. I bought some more. I will now take the top spot in this. I'm no longer buying. It's too late for me to buy this one with the stable coins I still have. Okay, I have a lot of XRP. Don't talk BS to me. It's likely that I have more than you. That's not a move either. To sum up, I believe the numbers will move. RSI is still a number between 40 and 50. Not helpful there. Matt D even so. The trend up ball by volume isn't high enough, but you can see that we haven't read the sell volume yet. We have the same number of buyers and dealers. Still more people want to buy than sell. Plus the fact that we haven't broken out yet. But maybe we are, and this could be going somewhere. A Moco cloud, with a story that's been told before. It just hasn't given us anything yet. That is, this is a slow-moving sign that would act as a confirmation indicator. We still don't have anything from that. Points of pivot. As you can see, the turning point is way up there. Where you saw Bitcoin, XRP is a long way below it. In this case, S1 called it S1 support 1. Okay, Bollinger Bands. These Bollinger Bands are much tighter on XRP than they were on Bitcoin. Okay, I'll move some things out of the way, so you can see it better. That's it. You can see that the Bollinger Bands are getting close together. That's fine. That's what we need to happen, because instability will start after that. I want it to stay above that middle line now. That's the best thing to do. While these bands get tight, it might hop, skip, and jump around a bit. They will start to boil though, as they get tight. We'll get a pop one way when they start to boil. People, do you know what happens when things get hot? For the most part, they always come rushing over. We want that kind of thing. I can promise you that something truly magical will happen on this in the next 30 to 60 days. Next, we'll talk about this Trump Powell. He said he'd get rid of them, if he had to. It is very easy. What's going to happen next? Powell is out. Ray stops. In terms of crypto, what does that mean? Easy. Ray cuts mean a rush of cash. If Powell is fired, and the Fed changes direction, interest rates will likely go down. When rates go down, it costs less to borrow money, and there is more cash on hand, which has typically made assets riskier. What kind of crypto is a risky asset? Think about what happened in 2021 and 2020. With the help of stimulus and low interest rates, crypto went straight up. The institutional hunger is going to come back.